In this system.io video, we're talking about buttons. I'm going to show you how you can add a button, and I'll explain all of the features that you can use regarding buttons in system.io. So first you want to head over to system.io. I'll leave a link if you don't have an account yet in the description below. Now once you're here, you want to head over to funnels, and from here you can either create a new funnel from scratch, create from a template, or if you've already got some funnels, you can edit any existing funnel you may have. So I'm going to click on a funnel, and then we can choose what page we want to edit. So for me, I'm going to edit my sales page. So what we can do is we can click on sales page and then edit page, and that will take us inside of the system.io editor. So now we're here, we can go ahead and add buttons. Now you can see I've already got a button. I'm just going to open a preview window so we can check it out in real time. So here is the preview. You can see I've already got a button added. So if you wanted to add a button from scratch, here's what you need to do. So you need to go ahead and go to elements and then scroll down, and you'll come here to form. Then you'll see the button icon. You can go ahead and drag this onto system.io. Now it's probably best if you make a space for it before, so I'm going to just drag it here. Once you've got your button added, you can then go ahead and click on it and edit everything here on the left. So what I would edit first is going to be your text and the colors. So if you scroll down to typography, you can change the button text. So I might want it to say buy now. And then we've also got the subtext as well. Maybe I want to put the price here. Okay, so we can also customize here the font size, the line height, the subtext font size, and you want to change, ideally what you want to do is mess around with these sliding boxes to get your button in the perfect place. If you want to change the size of your button, you can do it here with padding, and you can bring the padding in a bit here and increase or decrease the padding here. Anyway, once you're happy with your button, you can go ahead and scroll to the top and choose what action you want your button to make when someone clicks on it. So in most cases, you want to submit the form and you want to take the person here to the next step of your funnel. So that's what I would recommend. Now, if you wanted to just link them to a random URL or a specific URL, you can click here and you can obviously show a pop-up, open a specific URL, download a file, and so on. Obviously, that's going to be different for everyone, but that's how you can add a button, that's how you can customize it, and that's just been a general overview. Also, don't forget to change your color, which can be done here.